We got new Beyblades. Alright, hey everyone, it is BladerChic and
Princess Draw.
And today we're going to be unboxing the Beyblade Burst Surge Speedstorm Mirage Fafnir F6, I think. Yeah, 6. So this is a new Speedstorm Bay. Finally, Hasbro has been making some more Speedstorm stuff, which is totally awesome. So today we're gonna unbox Mirage Fafnir F6. See how good it is spin steel than its other brothers. We actually don't have those guys, so actually there's really no way to tell. But anyways, let's get started.
We have another Fafnir.
We have another Fafnir, actually. We have Geist. Take that back. So, let's look at the stats a little bit. So, we got 3 attack, 1 burst, 6 defense, 8 weight, which I'm kind of surprised at that because I feel like most of the Fafnirs don't really weigh too much. Agility is 3. I don't know really what that means. I feel like that's the same as stamina. But stamina is 8. That's like really high. Its defense is pretty high too. It's decent. Its attack is really not that good. Its defense is probably high because it has rubber. Oh, and GamerDude just decided to join us. Hey, GamerDude.
Hello.
Alright, so let's unbox it. Oh, I hate breaking these boxes because I love the artwork. I'm going to keep that. Okay.
Yeah, so
The
yeah.
artwork
I ripped
is
up.
so good.
Some of the ones I ripped up, I literally scooped it on the trash.
Yes.
And put it on a piece of paper, and it looks
He
so
literally
cool.
scooped. Yeah, it looks really cool if you put it on a piece of paper. All right. Ah!
Okay.
Oh, it has the.
Want me to help? I know how to do this.
Wait, try to not rip up the artwork.
Oh no. So the thing you try to do is, you see these parts? You
Yeah,
try
you
to
gotta
pull
rip
off
them.
these.
Yeah. I'm gonna get some scissors.
Yeah, she's gonna go get this. That's okay, she's gonna get scissors! Chop, chop, chop! Scissors!
Oh, we're also, after we test it out, we're gonna test it against our other Speedstorm Bay.
Ooh.
What is his name? Colossal Helios. I keep wanting to say King Helios.
Yeah,
Alright, so
I think I wanted to call away Stevelos.
yeah, we wanted to get Ray Stones too.
It sounds like, I first thought it was
Alright,
away
let's get the tape off.
Yeah.
Rip it off. Let it rip. Okay, it should be off now. Okay, it's off.
Yeah, you ripped it off.
I let it rip it off.
God,
Okay,
rip
so
it off.
perfect. We keep the artwork.
Ooh, can I keep that off for?
Sure, you can keep it for now.
Yeah.
Alright, so here we go. We've got all the parts and we've got our scissors. So let's cut it out. These don't have stickers because they're Hasbro's.
That's too bad. I said too bad.
So here's the layer. And of course you have these chips.
I'm just gonna cut out
That's a
the
really cool chip. I like that. And then here's the regular layer.
Yes.
This layer. This doesn't really look. The rubber.
I'm just gonna.
It's terrible. I don't think this will have spin steel really that good. This is all you can expect from Takara Tomi's non-Pro Series base. Pro Series is great. Hasbro's Pro Series is great. Magnificent.
Yeah, this is what it looks like.
But the regular ones are no. It's not. So now we've got the disc. I think this is a new disc. A1 or 1A. And that might be what generates so much weight on it. And then we've got the tip. I think it's nothing. think the Keratomi term is nothing.
This back is so cool.
Here is nothing. Hasbro version. Oh my goodness! The tip doesn't even go. Bro, the tip doesn't even have a spring. Bro.
That's crazy, dude.
I hope they give a Beyblade Burst Pro Series release for this one, because
Yeah.
it's not as... It doesn't have...
Yeah.
Okay. So there we go. We've got...
Yeah.
That's cool.
It feels like it bursts like really easy.
Well, it says its burst is only 1. I think that
Right.
means it does not burst.
Yeah, is it like... Should it be high, or like should it be like low?
Yeah, it is very easy.
It's very... Well, that's what you can expect it out of like all Hasbro releases. Minus a few. Okay, now we can gaze at that for a little bit.
Yeah, and I'll be battling today.
So here's the launcher. I like the new launchers that they made. I think they look really, really cool.
Yeah, this looks really cool.
Alright, so we're going to head on over to the stadium.
That's right over here.
Do some battles. Unfortunately, we do not have a Speedstorm Stadium yet. So, very sorry about that. Apologize. We apologize. But, then, let's not waste any more time. And...
Let's go.
let's go. Alright.
And I'm going to get another bit.
This thing is gonna go.
So we're going to try it against some of our other Speedstorm bays
Like
that we got.
Minoboros.
We've got Minoboros, the new Minoboros Speedstorm. We have got the Colossal Helios, the white one. Of course, we've got Mirage Fafnir F6. And then we have, let me get it.
And we have.
Then we have, what is it called? Isn't it called?
Fly something.
It's like, it's Glide Dillahan. And this is a new Speedstorm. So, we'll all be battling. So, does everyone have a launcher?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you
We're
ready?
ready.
3, 2, 1, go. We're also just hanging out on the rails. What? Oh my goodness. Minoboros burst.
Oh, yeah,
So
this is
Colossal
so
Helios
fun.
goes for that win.
And I won
A
again.
nice win there. Okay.
And I won.
Yeah, Princess Draw 1. Alright.
Colossal Heroes.
Colossal Helios is like decent.
Yeah.
It's
I busted
decent.
him and
It's
I
kind of
used those
decent.
down.
It's pretty deep. Alright.
I'm going to take off my thingy.
I'm just gonna launch it by
Other
itself.
thing.
This won't go on. I want it. Come on. Oh, hi.
Oh, let's go. Get him, Fafnir. Get him, Fafnir. Get Minoboros now.
I need.
Okay, come on, Matt Fafnir. Go, go, go.
Oh!
What? Minoboros action. Oh my goodness. This is trash. This is trash.
Yeah, this is kind of
Bro,
trash compared to
they
the
took
other
away its best ability. They took away pretty much all of its rubber.
thing.
Rubber
Yeah, it's
super
like
rubber.
no rubber.
Oh my goodness.
That
Hasbro literally trashed this big. Oh my goodness, Hasbro.
Yes,
This
it's
is why we do not do Hasbro. This is why we do not do Hasbro unless it is Pro Series. Oh my goodness gracious. I still actually haven't been able to get my hands on a Pro Series because it's so popular. And
There's
so I
no
look
way
at
to-
Target, of course, which
you
if they're so popular, and I never find some. And when I do manage to find some, I don't have the money. I don't have the money to buy it. Okay, so let's do some battles. Let's do one more battle with Speedstorm, and then we'll grade it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, left spin against left spin. Even if I had rubber, I probably wouldn't be able to drain because he's left. Oh, go. Oh, Fafnir finally won a single battle.
Yes.
So maybe Fafnir Fafnir is not as trash as we think it is. Maybe we just have to like have
I
a
think
special
that was
strategy.
because it just slowed down in here.
It did,
Yeah,
yeah.
that did slow down.
So I'd say, this is probably like C tier. Like,
This is probably
I'm sure
kind
the
of trash.
Takara Tomy release is a lot better.
Yeah.
But this one is Hasbro, so it's not as good. So I'm rating it C because it's not like terrible. It's not that good though. I feel like Takara Tomy is one of those bays that like is so good with the Takara Tomy release, but Hasbro just trashes it.
I dare you put BladerChic to do it with your hand.
Oh, wait, okay.
This probably won't work.
GamerDude, launch Metaboros. Okay,
Okay.
3, 2, 1. What in the world?
That's just because you like launched it on top of it.
I launched it on top of it. Oh, I did a forbidden technique. I did a forbidden technique.
Guys,
That's lush.
I want to do my TV time.
Okay.
All right. So, anyway, this thing is pretty capiche. Thank you guys all for so much
Let it
watching.
She can't do it.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Okay,
Thank you guys
let's-
for all the
let's-
support.
Let's try
Please
to
make sure to subscribe. Oh, and we'll
try
have
to
one
do
more
it
guy.
again.
Let
Oh, I actually stole some spin. Oh no, but Mirage Fafnir can't get off the cradle.
Yeah, because he can't, and he can't
So
drain
can't attack-
anybody.
he can't
So he's just gonna run out of
So
stamina
it might
probably.
just be up to nothing. Oh no, they're both running out. Oh, man.
Okay, man.
So that is all. Thank you guys
yes.
so much for all your support. Please subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos and like. Thank you guys so much for all your support. We hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much. And we'll
And
see you
let
guys
it
later. Let it